Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create and customize a tree map chart in Microsoft Excel. Here you can see this kind of chart that have the data as a map, and it's called the tree map charts in Microsoft Excel. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually create this kind of tree map chart in Microsoft Excel and also customize with many different kind of designs and changing the colors and everything. So first of all, we need to have a Excel document with some data. Here you can see I have created two columns with some data, some name and some money. I just make it a collection amount, also some name, so how much money some people paid for some collection. Here you can see I have some different data. And to make a customized tree map chart in Microsoft Excel, you need to select all the columns and rows from here that have the data. Now from insert, you need to go to this option. It said the hierarchy chart. So I just click here and you can see there is two different kind of settings. One is for this subburst settings and another is for tree map. So in this video I'm going to focus on this tree map chart. So I just select this tree map chart. Now once you click, it will automatically insert the tree map chart here on your Excel, and you can just hold it and drag and move anywhere you want. And you can also have some other option to change. You can also this assign with micro, anything you want. And we can also change the title from this tree map chart. We just need to double click on this title and we can change it. So I just change the title to collection, and now here you can see we have the name chart. We can also change this layout of this placement where the title will be, or we just want to remove the title, or where will be the name. To change the layout of this tree map, you can just select this tree map, and from here you can see this option, chart design. Here you can see different types of options, so you just need to click here and you can select any different types of option. You can see here there is no name, and you can also make it dark theme, or also you can put the name on the side to show how actually this work with the color details. And we can also choose other design, like we can just put the name in the below of the chart. So I just select this one for now. And if you want to change the color theme, like this box color, if you want to use a preset, you can also use this. So you can just go to this option, change colors, and from here you can change the color. You can see you can match this color with your company color or any color you want. By this way you can design this tree map chart. And we can also change the border size and everything. For this we just need to go to this format section. Here you can see this option. If you want to have no color, just this change the box color, or maybe you can only want to have the same color, you can select this option. Now you can see all the box color have been changed, and if you just select this one and you can also click here, now you can see all the box color have changed to the same color. And if you don't want to have any fill color, you can also do this like this, or maybe change to another color. You can also do that. Just go to any color option from here. And if you want to change the font color inside of this box, you can also do this. For this, select the box and then go to home, and you can also change from here. So in this way you can change all the color and make changes to this kind of tree map. And I hope you understand how actually you can create this kind of customized tree map chart in Microsoft Excel. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you guys on the next video.